Guys, we're driving just south on Highway 231, 431 across the Alabama-Tennessee state line right there. And guys, you can see the federal public utilities workers are already hard at work. This tornado was massive, guys. There's damage everywhere. It's a Bobo section in Highway 231 south of the Alabama-Tennessee state line. We drive on up, we took a left and started driving up into Tennessee right here. And this is going down Old Lincoln Road in southern Middle Tennessee. And this is a house that was took plumb off its foundation in Vantown, Tennessee. As you can see, there's another image. That's the car parked out by the trees. And it's all turned over right by the car, guys. Thank y'all for watching. DOC, I will bring y'all some more videos on this. Yay.